Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make restaurant style Dal Tadka.
It's a very unique recipe. You can serve this along with roti, chapati or rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take half cup of toordal and add 2.5 cup of water. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, give a stir. Close it and cook on high flame for 1 whistle. And then on low flame for 3 whistles. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 4 whistles, keep it rest for 15 minutes. Now open the lid and check whether it has cooked well. The dal has cooked well. Keep it for later use. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons ghee and heat it. Also add 2 tablespoons oil to it. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Wait until it splutter. Now add 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Mix it well. Add 4 dry red chilies, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half chopped onion, half tomato paste, 2 chopped green chilies. Now we can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now remove some quantity for garnishing. Add the cooked dal to this. Mix it well. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook for 1 minute. Switch off the flame. Our restaurant style Dal Tadka is ready. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now in a pan, heat the portion we have removed for garnishing and heat it. Transfer the Dal Tadka to a serving bowl and then garnish it. We have made a very tasty restaurant style Dal Tadka. Once if you try, this recipe will definitely in your favorite list.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.